So congratulations, you now have your ebook ready to go. You've got your covers done. You've got all your affiliate links and, the links to your own products and services embedded within the ebook. So now it's time for us to compile this ebook and put it out there in the market for the world to see. And so you can start making money right away. Okay. Okay, so now we have our ebook cover ready to go. What we want to do is we want to insert it on the first page. Okay, so I'll just move that down a little bit. And then I'm just going to go find my ebook cover that I just designed. Right. I'm going to drag and drop it in here, guys. Boom. There we go. We've just written a 46-page ebook, guys, on raw food diet for dogs. I can expand that a little bit. Oh, I lost it there. Just see if I can expand it a little bit. Perfect. Can you guys see that? We have an ebook ready to go, ready to sell, and you can just go and make sure that everything aligns nicely, because when you put that ebook cover there, it's probably going to move some of the sections around. So this is just making sure that everything looks nice and ready to be sold. So that looks good to me. So what we are going to do now is we are going to go ahead and actually download this ebook, okay? So to do that, you want to go to File, you want to go to Download, and then we're going to download it as a PDF file, okay? This is the PDF ebook that we are going to be selling. When you're listing your ebooks for sale, this is the file that you are going to be using. So make sure that you save it in your computer somewhere that you can easily remember, and obviously give it a name, preferably the title of the actual book. Awesome. You can see right now we have our ebook ready to go. Okay, look at that, guys. Now you can see we have the ebook ready to go. Look at that. And if people came here and they clicked on any of the topics here, as you can see, it takes them straight to the section. If they went on to click on any of those products, guys, that are currently being recommended, it takes them to those products. And if they purchase those products, you make money. It's honestly that simple, guys. We have an ebook ready to go, a 45-page ebook ready to go.